Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to tween on CapCut. So guys, at first add your photos to your project as always, and then tap on overlay, and at the part you will be tweening, and now go to edit and tap on crop, and then crop the black lines. So yeah, and then go to cut out, go to chroma key and select the green or other color and put the intensity 100. And then tap the little diamond button and do what I do with this. And guys, you can see CapCut is very easy for tweening, and that's how you can tween on CapCut. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.